Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Open your videos. Open your videos. Quickly open your videos. Yes, what we were doing?
I'm just opening in 2 minutes.
Okay,
Ma'am,
what
we
we
are
were doing?
doing analog. Ma'am, we are doing analogy, chapter 2, analogy and classification.
Okay.
We were on the question.
Okay. Let me take it out. Let me take it out. Give me a second.
Yes.
Where is my desktop? Yes. Analogy we were doing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's complete
Ma'am,
it.
we are on 22 questions. We have done till 21 question. We have to do 22 questions.
Okay, thank you so much, Punita. Satvik, open your
Welcome.
video. Hassan, open your video. Satvik, Hassan, open your videos. Natik, Aviral, Neha, Kavya, open your videos. Be quick.
I'm just opening on this gate.
क्यों काव्य क्या कर रहे हो? हैं? What are you doing?
Ma'am, I'm just wearing my clothes.
Oh my God.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you doing this thing, Kavya? Kavya, your camera is turned on. Kavya, your camera is turned on.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it is off. Ma'am, I can see.
Like, we can see everything. You don't know that it is switched on.
Yes.
You forgot to switch. You forgot to
Yes,
switch it on.
on your side, but not on side. You are getting to me.
What? What,
We
Kavya?
can see everything. Ma'am, you and all are
Ma'am, now,
getting to me.
a very good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, Kavya,
Kavya,
you forgot to switch off your camera. I must tell you one thing.
No, it was on.
No,
Ma'am,
you
I have
forgot.
enabled the option. Ma'am, when I always join, ma'am, I always close my camera. Ma'am, I have
Sometimes it
enabled that option.
happens, but sometimes it happens we forgot something. So don't do such type of stunts here. Don't try to do such type of stunts,
No,
Kavya.
ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I haven't.
Acha. Okay. Chalo. Let's see. Don't try to do such type of stunts during the
Ma'am,
classes.
I can't.
Ah.
Ma'am, I can't.
Okay. On which question we were on? This we have done. This we have done. This we have done. I think we 4 class वाला भी कर लिया था. ये वाला कर लिया था 26.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We have done this.
28 also.
30. No, we have not done
28.
28.
Section we have to do 28.
28, I
Ma'am,
think
we
we
have
have
done
done.
28.
Yes, we have done 28. We
Ma'am,
have to do 29th. Yes, 29th. I also
29th.
remember that you have to do 29th. Just give me a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am. We have to do 28.
Wait. Now, yes, we will start now. Look here. This certain relationship, okay, 29th. One by one, I'm going to give chance to everyone. Like, let me take a screenshot of this. मैं आपका roll number wise it would be not roll number wise, it would be alphabetically. Just give me a minute. Wait, don't switch on your mics, okay, for a minute. Let me take a picture of all those who are present here, and one by one I'm going to ask you the answers today. मेरे according सब answer करेंगे, not according to you. Okay? When I will ask one, then that person has to answer. It is compulsory for all those who are sitting in class. It is mandatory for all of you to switch on your cameras, and I will ask you one by one the question. Please tell me the answer. Please tell me the answer. And I'll keep a mark on it. How many of you are telling me the answers? Okay? I just take one notebook. I need a wait a second. Let me take one register of here. Just give me a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to keep a record of those students who are answering me and those who are not answering me. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and it is compulsory for all. And don't speak. All right, chalo. One by one, I'm going to let you give you chance. So the first chance. Okay, I'm sharing on the group the picture. Those who are present in the class. This is 7C, right? Okay. Those who all are present
Yes,
in
ma'am.
class, one by one, your chance will come. Let me enable the waiting room now. Okay. One by one, I'll give chance to everyone. Okay. The first one is Dhairepal. Dhairepal, open your camera, mic, beta. Please explain me the 29th question. You can use the annotation also of mine. Dhaire,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
please
ma'am.
explain me the first question. Okay, I'm writing the names also. Yes, Dhaire. Please explain me the 29th question if you want. Okay, Pranavi also entered. Pranavi.
Ma'am, in 29th question.
Okay, one by one, I'm asking you, tell me the movement of the arrow. How is this arrow moving?
Ma'am, the arrow is going in the middle.
Okay, it is analogy question, beta. It is analogy question. Just check first वाला second वाले से कैसे related है. Pranavi, Rishabh Jain. Okay, Rishabh Jain. Yes, how first one is related to the second one? Arrow कैसे related है बेटा? There है?
Ma'am, it
Explain.
is going in.
हाँ,
Ma'am, it is going into the middle.
it is going into the middle. Okay,
Towards the middle.
it is going into the middle. So what will be the possible in this one? Second वाले में क्या possible होगा? ये वाला बताओ. फिर इस arrow का क्या होगा? ये वाला जो arrow है.
Ma'am,
It will go in the middle.
ma'am,
But at
B.
what
Ma'am,
angle,
B1.
beta? Beta, you can
Ma'am,
use the
B1.
pen also. There you can use
Yes,
a pen
ma'am.
if you want. You can use the pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Kavya, nobody will speak in between. Let one answer. Who is speaking in between? Don't speak in between. One by one, everyone will get chance. Those who came late, they will
Ma'am,
get chance after one.
ma'am, on 29th one, if we will see the arrow, then B can be the answer.
Okay, okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
because in the first and second figure, the arrow is tilting a little bit and going in middle.
Little bit kitna? Degrees. You know about degrees? Have you heard about degrees in maths? How
Yes,
many
ma'am.
degrees
Yes.
does it revolving? Beta, somebody told me that your name is not on the WhatsApp. Who's that one? Who is that one? Sorry, beta. Swarnima ke baad Yash Gangwar. I noted your name, beta. Don't worry. Okay, Yash, I note down your name.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
No, it was not in the attendance.
So thank you for telling. I forgot to scroll down. Yes, Dhairya.
Yes, ma'am.
So arrow is moving at what degree? What degree? First or second में कितने degree का movement है?
I am not able to recognize the degree.
See here, Dhairya, can you see my screen? Can you see my pen?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
see
ma'am.
in my pen. If this is my pen here, this is 45 degree. If I'm tilting my pen in my hand, if I'm tilting this like this, so it is 45 degree. And if I'm tilting like L, it is 90 degree. Clockwise और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज द टू टाइप ऑफ थिंग. पहले आप ये देखो कितने डिग्री मूव कर रहा है, क्लॉकवाइज या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सी दिस एरो इज लाइक दिस इन द फर्स्ट वन. एरो ऐसे है, सेकंड वाले में ऐसे मूवमेंट कर दिया, तो क्लॉकवाइज हुआ या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हुआ? बताओ. क्लॉक ऐसे मूव करती
Ma'am,
है,
clockwise.
क्लॉकवाइज. एट व्हाट डिग्री? कितने डिग्रीज पे मूवमेंट किया
Ma'am,
इसने?
45.
45 degrees पे मूवमेंट किया. Similarly, the second arrow will also move clockwise at what degree?
45 degree.
I'm 45 degree.
Arrow is like this, so if you may move it clockwise and like this, so how will it be? कितना हो गया ये?
Ma'am,
ऐसे कितने degree हो गया?
anti-clockwise
ऐसे था ना?
45 degree.
एंटी क्लॉकवाइज नहीं, क्लॉकवाइज ही करना है उसको. क्लॉकवाइज और 45 डिग्री कैसे करोगे? कौन सा वाला ऑप्शन ठीक आएगा इसमें से बताओ? Which can be the correct option? Can you see my pen there? This
Yes,
is my
ma'am.
pen. Okay, second is one who's second one कौन था इसमें? Wait a second, let me check it. Who is the second one? Oh. Okay, Ridhima. Ridhima, you tell. Yours name is the next one. Okay, I'm giving 3 minutes to each one of you, not more than 3 minutes to anyone. Yes, Ridhima. You tell. How is it? What will be the movement of the say arrow?
Ma'am, in first the arrow is moving 45 degree and I think anti-clockwise.
Yes, anti-clockwise का कर रहा है बेटा, clockwise कर रहा है. See, this is the movement. Yes,
It's
anti-clockwise.
moving,
Yes, anti-clockwise. It is moving anti-clockwise. Yes. So this arrow will also
No.
move anti-clockwise 45 degree. Then what will be this one? What will
Ma'am,
be
the
the answer?
arrow will be like upwards. The
So
point of arrow will
which
be
may
like
be the correct
upwards.
option?
Ma'am, B.
B. B is the correct option. Okay. So what this we will cancel. A में भी ऐसा नहीं है. C में downwards है, ये भी नहीं होगा. D में भी it is here. So C B is the correct option. Very good. Okay. So next comes the chance of 7th A now. Yes. 7. Oh, sorry, it's 7C. See, so many people are entering so much late. Pranavi, Sarthak, Crackers, they're entering so late. Okay. Why are you so late, Prakash? Huh? Why are you so late? Next is Arshia. Arshia,
Yes, ma'am.
explain
Yes,
the third
ma'am.
question. It is an analogy question. Explain the third one.
Ma'am, in the first figure, ma'am, 1 and 2, ma'am, the first, ma'am, the rectangular shape is coming in the middle, and
Okay.
ma'am, the triangular is coming bottomwards. Like, ma'am, first figure is coming in between, and the figure is going downwards, and the
Okay.
down figure is going upwards.
Okay. You can say 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 हो गया वो. 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
sorry,
ma'am.
3, 1, 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what
Yes.
will happen in the third and fourth? How can you form a fourth figure? You can use a pen, beta. You can use a pen of the annotation one. You can use a pen and draw it yourself if you want.
Ma'am, I'm not getting, ma'am. I'm working in laptop. So
Okay, so I can give you the remote control. Arshia, okay. You don't
Okay,
know how
ma'am.
to do
Ma'am,
it?
can I join?
Ma'am, it's done.
Ma'am, can I join with my other device?
Yes, obviously. Okay, Risha.
Ma'am, so now, ma'am, the first and the second figure, ma'am, they are getting like, ma'am, upwards to downwards.
Okay, okay, we get it. So how will you form
And ma'am,
the fourth figure? Form the fourth figure.
yes, ma'am, ma'am, the triangular will be in middle, and ma'am,
Okay.
when it will be upwards to downwards, it will be, the point would, the single point would be upwards.
Okay, single point would be upwards. Why? Because it is changing the position. The first वाला figure है वो ऊपर का नीचे हो गया, upside down हो गया. That means triangle will also be upside down. So which of them, which of the option you will cancel out? Cancel out those options which you want to
Ma'am,
cancel.
A option is
तो
cancelled.
cancel कर दो, ठीक है. Good. मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ बेटा, ये Arshia is doing this. Okay. Remote control is in the hand. Oh my, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Arshia. This happened with me because I was checking the chat box. Just give me a second, Arshia. Leave it. Leave the pen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
that is
after-
missing this.
Ma'am, after that, the second figure, ma'am, the something house-like shape, ma'am, that will also get just opposite, ma'am. Just
Okay,
like
that is
downwards.
also up and it will become upside down. So what is the
Ma'am.
correct option for that one?
Ma'am, C will be cancelled out.
C will be cancelled out. Okay, very good. Then B and D are
Yes, ma'am.
left.
And ma'am, in
What
the
will be the
first
difference?
figure,
Huh.
ma'am, the last figure, ma'am, it's getting 90 degree upwards.
Okay.
Ma'am, so ma'am, that will be, ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, it should be option B.
It should be option B. अच्छा ये वाला मैं explain कर दे रही हूँ. As told by Arshia, C will be cancelled out क्योंकि वो upside down हो रहा है. चलो अब मैं आपको B और D का difference मैं समझाती हूँ because it is quite confusing. So I am going to teach you the B and D difference. See here. If you see the first one कि ये जो हमारा black and white position वाला है, Arshia, are you controlling the screen beta?
No, ma'am.
The remote control. That's why. Hey, wait a second. Just give me a second. Okay. Yeah. Now I must hang here. Where is it? My God, you people are entering so late. These I'm now noting down all these late comers. Pranavi, Sarthak, Prakash. These all the late comers. Parv. Sorry here. Here it is. Oh my God. चलो नहीं आ रहा है वो. ठीक है, सो शी कैंसल्ड आउट दिस वन. अब बी और डी में जो उसका अपोजिट साइड वो कैसे आ रहा है, सी वो डाउन है ऐसे करके डाउन है, और वो डाउन से किस पोजीशन में आ गया है, इट इज टिल्टिंग टू, वेट ट्राइंगल को हम देखते हैं. हम जो फर्स्ट वाला है वो कहाँ जा रहा है, वो मिडिल में जा रहा है. ठीक है, और ये जो फर्स्ट पे आ रहा है लाइक वो ऐसे था, इस शेप में था, दिस पॉइंट इज ऐसे था, एंड इट इज गोइंग लाइक दिस. इट इज टिल्टिंग 90 डिग्री क्लॉकवाइज या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ये देखो जो ऊपर वाला है वो 90 डिग्री क्लॉकवाइज में जा रही है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में आ रहा है. जो थर्ड वाला फर्स्ट पे चला गया है, सी अच्छा मैं बताती हूँ, वेट 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 वेट, ऐसे नहीं समझ आएगा. ये जो आपका थर्ड वाला है ये आपका फर्स्ट पे चला गया, ये कैसे मूवमेंट किया इसने, क्लॉकवाइज या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सी
मैम क्लॉकवाइज.
क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट किया. अब ये भी जो होगा इट विल आल्सो मूव क्लॉकवाइज. इफ इट विल मूव क्लॉकवाइज, सो इसका जो ब्लैक पोर्शन है ये अप है, अगर ये क्लॉकवाइज मूव करेगा इट शुड मूव लाइक दिस, सॉरी इट शुड मूव लाइक दिस, इट शुड मूव लाइक दिस. तो ब्लैक वन इधर आना चाहिए ना, ब्लैक वन इधर आना चाहिए. सो
Yes,
विच इज
ma'am.
द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑफ दिस वन,
मैम B1.
B1 D1
B1.
D1.
Ma'am, B.
B.
Ma'am,
चेक करो बेटा, एक्चुअली मेरा ना अपीयरेंस में उल्टा बैठी हूँ तो मुझे उल्टा आ रहा है वो, बिकॉज दिस मिरर इमेज इज फॉर्मिंग. हाँ यू टेल.
30. And the answer of 30 is B.
30 is B, right?
B.
बेटा just see yourself, because मेरे लिए opposite आ रहा है वो, because I'm seeing मेरा इमेज चल रही है, that's why.
Whether
The
the
black
black
side will
portion
turn
would be
like
on
this.
left side or right side.
हाँ sorry,
That black portion of the rectangle would be in left side or right side.
see let's do it clockwise. आप ये चेक करो ये वाला मूवमेंट कैसे हुआ, 1 से लेकर 2 तक, 1 और 2 फिगर में इसका मूवमेंट कैसे हुआ, ये चेक करो कैसे हुआ. अर्शिया चेक इट. 90 डिग्री क्लॉकवाइज हुआ या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हुआ. सो ऐसे ही आप ब्लैक पोर्शन जो है ऊपर है, अब इसको आप क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट करना है, यानी ऐसे टर्न कर देना है. सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस. आई ठीक है, ओके. इसको ऐसे है, it should be like, so it is should be like this. Okay, if it is this and it is moving like this. ठीक है, okay, understood. Shall we proceed to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose mic is this? Rishit, I think yours.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the next chance is off. Next chance I'm going to give after Arshia is Aviral. Aviral, tell the 31st question.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
want a remote control, you can take it from me.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ Aviral.
Ma'am,
हाँ
ma'am, can I take?
हाँ sorry.
Ma'am, can I take the remote control?
Yes, I'm giving you. Wait a minute. Where is this?
Ma'am, yes, started my meeting.
What is your name? अपना name बोलो फिर से. Aviral. It is not showing me Aviral name.
Ma'am,
यहाँ
I think I have
You
taken.
can search it.
you have taken. चलो, now do it.
Ma'am, in the first and second, ma'am, if the circle here is, ma'am, in the
बेटा 32 बता रहे हो आप. 32, 31 you have to tell.
ma'am, how to go up then?
You can see from the board. को आपको अब scroll नहीं हो रहा. चलो मैं scroll कर दे रही हूँ. Wait. अब it is scrolled. अब दिख रहा है 31.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now do it.
Actually, ma'am, it is not in my book.
Okay, it's not in your book, but you can try the 31.
Ma'am,
Try. Chalo, let me give you the chance. Okay, I will ask you the 32, Aviral. Hassan, you tell me the 31.
I'm doing.
I will give chance to any one of you. I can ask any one of you. जिसका नहीं हुआ है उसका I'm noting down these names. I will give chance to everyone. Aviral is left. Hassan is left. Kavya, आ जाइए काव्य. आ जाइए बताइए 31.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the 31st question,
हाँ.
ma'am, I'm just seeing the pattern, ma'am. I just want 1 minute.
See the analogy. How is this first one is related to the second one?
Ma'am, there is a noise from someone's mic.
Please switch off your mics, everyone.
It is the array.
Okay. The 31st question.
Huh. 31st.
The relation between 31st, the first second figure is it is a Y shaped, and then it is a small V at the top of Y, and it is closed, making a small triangle.
Okay.
Y.
How
Then
is
in the
first is
second,
related? Huh.
yes, ma'am, I'm just telling. Then in the second one, the line that connects Y and it includes Y, it changes, and the Y, it comes to a straight line.
Okay. Correct.
It turns to anti-clockwise, and the enclosed triangle also changes to anti-clockwise.
Okay. Very good. ठीक है. Good. Can you show here and draw the figure?
And
Can you draw the figure?
and then the Y was.
Can you
Yes,
draw the
ma'am.
figure?
Ma'am, I'm
Please draw the
telling it.
figure.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm drawing it.
Huh.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I can also animate. Ma'am, so, ma'am, this one to this one. Ma'am,
Okay.
this is it.
ठीक है.
Ma'am,
ठीक
this
है.
is changing.
This
Ma'am,
is
the
changing
Y1
clockwise या
arrow,
anti-clockwise?
ma'am, it's inverted.
Clockwise या
Ma'am, it is
anti-clockwise?
changing, and ma'am, anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Okay. Good. Then.
And ma'am, the line that connects the both two in the first figure changes. The position remains same.
Okay. B middle one
And
remains same.
then
ठीक
we
है.
come on to the relation between third and fourth one.
हाँ.
There is a pipe-like structure that is given there, and the straight line and a pipe enclosed opposite.
Okay.
So-
Very good.
So the center line will be same.
हाँ.
The center line would be same here.
Okay.
It
Yes. Center will
this
be
one
same.
will
Yes.
change its position. No,
The
I'm
first
just
one will
changing my
become-
stroke.
Huh? You
Ma'am.
change your pen.
The first one. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then the first one will become this. Ma'am, then, ma'am, it will change its
Kavya, I
position.
would suggest you
right
to change the color also because it's quite light
ma'am.
color. Use a dark color.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is this okay?
This might be okay.
There, please don't animate on the screen.
I will see to it, Kavya. Don't speak.
Ma'am.
You don't speak like that
Okay,
to
ma'am.
anybody else. I will ask him to not to do
Okay,
that.
ma'am. Ma'am, just a
Ma'am,
minute.
by
Ma'am, I'm
mistake.
erasing my one figure.
Oh, I know, beta. It's okay.
Ma'am, this I erased. Ma'am,
Huh.
ma'am, this figure at the center. Oh, I am opening a pen. Ma'am, this will be. Ma'am, the center one will be same.
Huh.
Ma'am, this one will change its position.
Huh.
Ma'am, to this.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am making too big. Ma'am, so ma'am, could you be able to understand?
Yes, we will be able to understand it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then the it here. Ma'am, it will change like. Ma'am, this.
I don't.
Ma'am, so the answer.
Huh.
The answer will be option D.
Okay. So I don't think so. काव्य की हाँ आपने लास्ट वाला गलत बनाया जो फर्स्ट वाला बनाया ना जो सबसे डाउन वाला है वो वाला फिगर रॉन्ग बनाया आपने. See
Okay, ma'am, I'm erasing it and again drawing.
लास्ट वाला थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग है. थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Because I was telling you
Yeah.
कि वो अगर ऐसे है और ऐसे हो जा रहा है फिगर में वो ऐसे है. This arrow का जो डाउन पार्ट है it is coming down and up
Yes,
ऐसे है.
ma'am.
तो डाउन ऐसे और अप ऐसे. ऐसे इसका सर्कुलर पार्ट अप है तो सर्कुलर पार्ट will come this side. Circular
Yes,
part will
ma'am.
come this side and the flat part will come this side.
Ma'am, I made this like only. Ma'am,
Yes.
I made.
नहीं आपने उल्टा बनाया था.
pen.
देखो काव्य let me draw. आपने बनाया था ऐसे.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me draw it. Like this you have made the
Yes,
circular
ma'am.
part this side. This is not the correct one. Actually the circular part has to be on this side. ये होगा circular part. Here it will be a flat one. This is the correct option B. Very
Okay,
good
ma'am.
Kavya. Okay, understood
ma'am.
everyone? Do I need to repeat that?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Everyone
there's a
understood?
figure
Do
I
you
made
need?
for
Do I
short.
need to repeat this? If anybody is not able to understand, do I need to repeat this for them?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me start the
Excuse
next.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the first figure, ma'am, the triangle is getting ma'am different, ma'am. But in the second figure, ma'am, we haven't done that.
Which
Ma'am, the
one?
one which
देखो बेटा, actually what is happening, this, oh, see the top of it, this arrow is doing upwards. Upward arrow का मतलब है ये जो मेरा black part देख रहे हो आप पेन का, this is arrow upwards. आप इसे अपने पेन के साथ रखो, ठीक है, ये upwards है. अब ये ऐसे हो गया, ये वाला arrow जो था ऐसे का ऐसे हो गया है. अब ये सर्कुलर पार्ट बन गया है. अब ये एरो का ऊपर वाला पार्ट जो है सर्कुलर पार्ट बन गया. आप उसे ऐसे करोगे तो किस साइड में आएगा वो? On this circular part will come this side, circular part will come side and flat part this side. ठीक है. और ये वाला जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, सेकंड ट्राइंगल वाला जो बता रही हूँ आपको मैं, ये सेकंड ट्राइंगल का जो कॉर्नर है, इट इज टचिंग हियर, कॉर्नर फ्लैट, कॉर्नर ऊपर फ्लैट नीचे. अब वो जो टोटल्टेड वन है उसका भी हम सेम देखते हैं. उसका जो है सर्कुलर पार्ट नीचे है, ऑन दिस कर्व पार्ट इज अप, कर्व पार्ट इज अप. ठीक है. अब कर्व, अब हम इसे फ्लैट मान लेते हैं, फ्लैट पार्ट इज अप. अब वो कैसे मूवमेंट किया था, उसका ऐसे मूवमेंट किया था. इसको भी हम ऐसे मूवमेंट करा देंगे, ऐसे मूवमेंट कराएंगे. So if we will do the movement like this, but is in the opposite direction, the direction of the face is from that side. Okay. So why don't it be yes? She's saying right, I think so. Arrow वाला down आ गया है, ये वाला अब चला गया. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Correct, correct, correct.
Am
ठीक
I
है?
correct or Arsha is
Yes,
correct?
you. नहीं नहीं, you are correct. B part is the correct answer. ठीक है? Arshi understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do the next one. 32. Okay, tell me the next. Let me ask the next name. Okay, are you ready, Aviral, for the next one? This one, Aviral?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Tell,
ma'am.
tell, jaldi, quickly,
Ma'am?
be quick. Hmm.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay,
Please
ma'am.
slow down. There is annulation. From the D option
Ma'am?
is not clear to me.
Ma'am, if we see that, ma'am, this arrow is going here. And ma'am, if ma'am this circles, ma'am, down part is shaded, and ma'am here, ma'am, it is not, it is shaded on upwards. So
Okay,
ma'am,
very
it is like the water image of this and this.
Okay, this is the water image.
ma'am-
Okay, very good. Mirror image or water
Yes,
image,
ma'am.
बेटा? Water image तो up and down में होती है. Mirror image होगी.
Yes,
Water
ma'am.
image
Sorry,
बेटा
ma'am.
up and down में होती है,
Image.
and mirror image vertically होती है, horizontally होती है
Ma'am.
water images.
Ma'am, if
Yes,
this
ma'am.
would be a mirror image, then the circle will be on the right side. The circle
Yes,
will be on the right side.
Yes, it is not a mirror image, beta. You can't say that this is a mirror image. This is not
So
a
we
mirror
can say
image.
that it is a water image.
Acha,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay, okay. You
Yes,
are right.
ma'am.
If we place one on the other, then it will form a water image. Yes, good, very good. Who told me
Yes,
this
ma'am.
answer
So,
in between?
ma'am, Satvik.
Satvik, good. Yes, this is a water image only. This is not. Beta, actually,
So,
ये place तो आमने सामने है. Wait a minute, Aviral. ये place तो आमने सामने है, लेकिन अगर इसे ऊपर रखोगे, it will be like the water image of it. Yes, good, good, Aviral and Satvik. Yes. So what will be the water
So,
image
ma'am,
of this one?
yes, ma'am. Its answer is B1.
Yes, very good. Since it is coming down, let me take two pens. Since it is coming down, इसकी water image बनाने की कोशिश करो इस पेन की. तो कैसे बनेगी? Like this. It should be in this direction. So either B option is correct or D option is correct. अब B और D, B, A, D में से कोई correct हो सकता था. अब they are not in the opposite direction. जो इसके जो triangles and whatever these are there, they are not in the opposite direction. So which option is correct? B option is correct. They are in the same direction. Both the corners, they are in the same direction. Uski water image. So you can write down simply water image. Everyone understood? If you're not able to understand any of these questions, you can just speak in between and tell me, ma'am, this is I'm not able to understand. Please teach us again. So I'll teach you again. Okay. Otherwise, your friends are going to teach you. Okay. Next will be Hassan. Hassan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Now start the 33 one. Select the odd one out.
Ma'am, this is a very easy question, ma'am. The
Huh.
first digit of every number is like the counting numbers.
Huh.
2, 3.
You can use a
4.
bit annonation use. You can use annonate option. You can
Ma'am,
use.
there is no need.
No
Ma'am,
use.
the
Okay,
D1
chalo.
is odd one.
Okay. Speak
Because the
Hassan.
first one,
Tell the answer.
the answer is D. D1 is odd one.
Why?
and because the first digit of every number is
हाँ
like the counting numbers 2, 3, 4, but 6 is not in the order. 5 is
I
missing.
नहीं मुझे I don't think so. This is the correct option. Hassan.
Ma'am, this is not the correct answer. Ma'am,
This is
could I
not the
tell?
correct way or method. I must say it is not the correct method. This is not the okay. Let me take the wait a second. Just let me send the next thing. Then I'll talk to you. Join at 11:20. Okay. Let me give any other one. Let me give the next one to answer. उसके बाद कौन है? नैतिक. नैतिक,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell the answer bit of this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I
The first digit of A, C, and D are divisible by 2.
No.
And
No.
ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, I got.
नहीं Arshia, no. Your chance has gone. One by one. Let me give chance to each and everyone. Naitik,
yes, ma'am.
can you tell the reason?
Ma'am, the first digit of A, C,
Huh?
and D is visible by 2.
No,
Divisible by 2.
no. This is not the correct option. Chalo, let me give to
25
Neha.
is not divisible by 2.
Neha, Naitik, think about it. Yes, it is not divisible. Neha,
Ma'am, I am understanding the pattern.
you're sending me the pattern. Why you are sending me the pattern? You can tell me yourself.
Ma'am, I am understanding the half.
Huh?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ridhima, don't speak in between. First of all, you are late. Okay, Ridhima?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I was disconnected.
You were
I gave the
disconnected, but
answer
I
of
don't have your
25.
name in this. I don't have your name in this one. मेरे पास जो ये list है इसमें आपका name नहीं है रिद्धिमा.
Ma'am, I
And I
think
didn't
she
enter
is
you
before
before
my
also.
Ma'am, she is there. Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
image
she
that
was
you have.
before my
Ma'am,
name.
you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, then her name. Ma'am, it is there.
Okay. In the beginning itself. Okay, Ridhima, sorry. I already asked you the question. Okay. In the beginning, your name is there. Sorry, beta. Okay. Ridhima, हो गया. Parv. Tell me the reason quickly, beta. 10 minutes left. Tell me the reason quick. Tell me the
Ma'am, I have
reason.
not written the. Ma'am, I have not written the answer of 34. Ma'am, 35th. Can
35th
I
नहीं,
tell of
33 का बेटा. 33 का बताना है. चलो, I'm passing this question. Punita,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
correct answer of this one. Reason. Quickly. बहुत easy है
Ma'am,
बेटा,
of
बहुत
the-
ही easy है. हाँ.
Ma'am, 33.
Let Punita answer. Punita, you tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm saying, ma'am, in this A and C are divisible by 7.
No.
Ma'am.
No, this is not the correct answer. Rishit, one by one. Rishit, wait a minute, Prakash. Rishit, I have the list. I am asking list wise. Rishit,
Yes, ma'am.
Rishit, a lot of noise is coming. Beta, if you know the answer, please tell the reason. No, Rishit, I'm not getting your voice actually. Chalo, let me pass this to Sarthak. Sarthak Sharma.
Ma'am, answer is A, ma'am, because only 25 is divisible to 5.
No, by ऐसे तो अच्छा ऐसे मैं ये बोल दूं 6 only 6 is 36 is divisible by 6. ये भी odd one out हो जाएगा. 7 is divisible by this. चलो, Satvik, you tell.
ma'am, in this, we can see in the ones place, we are adding up odd numbers. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, and 9 plus 5, 14. So
13. Yes.
in this,
This may be the possible one. Yes, this may be the possible one. Satvik.
and in the first one there is 25. So in the 10th digit, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 plus 1, it should be 5.
No, Satvik. Actually, this is not the correct reason. Swarnima, wait a minute, Prakash, your chance will come. Swarnima, are you here? Swarnima, are you here, beta?
Please.
Let me know. Let it be chance wise. No, chance wise, no. I think he's not here. So next is now out of the list. I'm asking Prakash. Prakash, you
Yes,
tell now.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now 25 is ma'am written. So ma'am, the flower petals have 5 only. So
Very
5
good.
into 5 equals to 25.
Very good.
And next number is 36. We have
Hmm.
to, so flower petals are 6. So 6
Hmm.
into 6 equals to 36. And then next flower has 7 petals. So 7 into 7 equals to 49.
Hmm.
And then last one is 64.
Hmm.
And it should be 8, but it is 7 petals.
Yes,
So
very
it
good.
is
If you
not.
count
This
the
is
petals, see, can you see the petals? Petals आपको कम और ज़्यादा लग रही है ना? Just count them. First में there are 5 petals, तो 5 का square. Have you heard about squares? Have you learnt about squares in maths?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
5
ma'am.
का square कितना होता है बेटा?
ma'am.
What is the square of 5?
Ma'am, 25.
25.
Ma'am,
अब now count the
25.
petals in B1. B वाले में count करो petals कितनी है? 6 है. And the square
Ma'am,
of 6 is
Yes,
what?
ma'am.
36.
The
36.
square of 6 is
C में
36.
C option
Ma'am,
में
in
if
the
you count the
6 is
petals,
36.
7 petals, and the square of 7 is
Yes, ma'am.
49.
Ma'am, 49.
Okay.
And D is
The D
And ma'am,
option.
25
D
is more
में
than an
7
odd.
petals है. D में 7 petals है, but there are
Ma'am, total of it 8.
Ma'am, but
Huh.
the
it
answer
is the
is
answer of 8 square is given to you. So D is
Yes, ma'am.
correct option. Very good. Chalo.
Okay.
Now
Answer. Ma'am, different.
Ma'am, now is my voice clear?
yes, now your voice is clear, Rishan.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
was having one different answer.
Okay. What is it? Jaldi
Ma'am,
bolo, you have 1
according to
minute.
ma'am, the answer is 64 only, but the pattern is, ma'am, mine is different.
Okay. Chalo. 34th करते हैं जल्दी से. 34th.
Ma'am,
Shreyansh,
can I
tell me
please
the
tell you 33,
enough.
please?
Enough. Shreyansh, tell the 34th. Shreyansh, Peter, tell the 34th. Are you here in the meeting, Shreyansh? Let me check whether he's there on the meeting. Yes, Rishabh, Sarthak. Shreyansh, are you going to answer me or shall I throw you out of the meeting? Sarthak, why are you with the 2 phones, beta? Why are you from 2 devices?
Sarthak faces a lot of problems, so he joins with 2 devices, one with audio
Okay.
and one
Be
with
very careful. I'll keep an eye on you. Okay. Then Shreyansh. के बाद कौन है? Prakash has done. Parv, have you ever given chance to Parv? Pranavi, jaldi se quickly. Open your mic and tell me the 34th one.
Ma'am, 34th one is, ma'am, answer would be A because,
Jaldi, quick.
this square,
Wait a second, Pranavi, wait. Now you can start.
okay. Ma'am, the triangle thing is in the left side and
Okay.
the triangle is in the right. Then the colored square is on the top and the circle is on the bottom. Then after that, in the second image, the square is uncolored in left side and the circle is uncolored in the right side. And the figures which weren't colored,
They become colorless.
triangle. Yes, ma'am. The triangle which was in right, it came to top, and the image in the left came to bottom.
Okay,
Then in
since
third
1 minute is left, Pranavi, very good. Since 1 minute is left, so I'm going to end it up quickly. What is going on? It is rotating like this. The whole upper part is rotating. ऊपर वाला पूरा part है वो rotate कर रहा है. You can see that. Square जो corner में है वो side में आ गया है. Circle ऊपर चला गया है. Cross बीच में आ गया है. And the upper 2 blacks, ये जो ऐसे horizontal दे रखे हैं वो दोनों black है और कॉर्नर्स वाले ब्राइट है. तो सबसे पहले तो आप कौन सा वाला कैंसिल आउट कर दो? ये बी ऑप्शन कैंसिल कर दो और ये सी ऑप्शन कैंसिल कर दो. इन दोनों में फाइंड आउट विच इज द रोटेटिंग वन. अब ये जो है दिस वन इज विल कम डाउन. बेटा दिस पीरियड इज गोइंग टू बी ओवर. ये वाला जो आएगा नीचे आ जाएगा. ये वाला नीचे किधर आ रहा है? डी ऑप्शन में भी आ रहा है, बी में भी आ रहा है. सी, बी और डी में ऑप्शन में कहाँ डिफरेंस है? ट्राइंगल में डिफरेंस है. सो लेट्स सी वेयर इज द ट्राइंगल कम. ट्राइंगल तो है ही नहीं कहीं पर भी. सो द ए ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट. ट्राइंगल तो आएगा ही नहीं. Triangle will not come. A option is the correct one. Okay, so see you tomorrow next time, beta.